Welcome to a new video of Fireboy Gaming. I'm gonna show you how to add your videos and into your videos, like the other videos you have in your YouTube channel, to pop out in the end. I'm gonna show you right now. Let me just go to YouTube. It's loading. I am recording this from my phone. So yeah. So you're gonna go to your profile of your YouTube channel. Mine's just loading right now. Come on. There you go. And then you go to your channel. Now it's just loading. And you go to YouTube Studio. And then just wait for it to load. After that, you go to Creator Studio Classic. So you can skip it. And then you go to the Legacy Classic, and it's loading. Pick a video to edit. I'm gonna pick this one. I think this one has a box. We'll check it. We'll see soon. You press edit. It's loading. Alrighty, now I have to go here to down. Wait, sorry, I skipped a step. Sorry about that. So see these, you have more options now. So now you're gonna go to end screen. It's where your video is gonna end. The end of the video beat, pretty much. So now I'm gonna go here. Right there. You see? Pops up for you right there. See, I have my box. That's right there. See the most recent upload and best for viewer. So now, as you can tell, I already did this, I'm pretty sure. So, in this step, what you have to do is just press add element, and you add a video or subscriber. The subscriber is for you to add your profile, your little YouTube channel profile right there. So when the viewer taps it, it shows subscribe to this channel. And the video and playlist is these two boxes right here. The most YouTube puts the most recent upload right there, and best viewer right there. So if we do it right now, create. See, you put video or playlist, most recent automatically featured of the most recent video. Best is allow you to select the video for you. So yeah. And after you press it, you choose this one. I'm gonna press it for you guys. Create element. You can create more than one element. Yeah, sorry guys. It's just that I already created one right there. I already created two, so I can't create more than that. As you can tell, I did right here. When you put the element there, this should pop out. These should pop out. See, this is for subscribe. The element is that. Best reviewer, most recent is for that one. So now that that's all done, you can go back to your YouTube. Let me just go. You can go back to YouTube, the home of YouTube right there. Boop. Now it's just loading. And come on. Now you go to your YouTube profile, your channel, and if I press this, and you go all the way over here, see, it should pop out like this. See, Just like that. Well, I hope you guys liked the video and subscribe. Bye bye.